How to cancel an order in Shopify. So right here from the left hand side, I will select the orders page. And then right here, we want to locate the order which we would like to cancel. I'm going to do this one as an example. So the first thing that we need to do is click on these three dots right here next to our order, and we will choose cancel fulfillment. Once we have canceled the fulfillment, it should become yellow. And now the next step is clicking on more actions here. And you should see this option to cancel the order. Just select it. And it will ask us for the refund payments, how much we would like to refund, or we can also do this later. And we have to choose a reason for the cancellation. So we can do customer changed or canceled order, payment declined, fraudulent order, items unavailable. And if we want to set any notes here, but basically after we have filled this out, we will simply click on cancel order here, and then this will have successfully canceled the order. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.